Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go! Hello everybody, it's Brianna. Today I'm in Dustin's kitchen because I moved to California. Woo! Alright, so because I live in California now, I have a feeling I'm gonna eat a lot more granola. Because that seems like a Californian kind of thing, to eat granola. So, when I moved in, there was a guy living in the other room at the house that I'm staying at, and he gave me these quick oats because he said he wasn't going to eat it for some reason. So he gave me this huge bag, so thought I would use it up. I also grabbed some coconut flakes, some slivered almonds. You can also get like cashews or walnuts, peanuts, any kind of nut that you want to get. Throw it in there. You're gonna want some maple syrup, a little bit of vegetable oil, and some salt. And then also raisins at the end, because raisins are great. And brown sugar, I forgot. Don't forget the brown sugar. Okay, so let me put on my apron. All right, got my apron on. I'm also gonna preheat this oven to 250, not 350, 250. So we're gonna start off with 3 cups of these oats. Put them in a big bowl. We're gonna do a cup of almonds. 3/4 of a cup of coconut. Unless you really like coconut, you can put some more in there if you want. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then we're also going to do a tablespoon. My bad. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in your mix. Get this brown sugar all incorporated with your coconut and your nuts and your oats. It's kind of messy. Don't tell anybody that you made a mess. Okay, so I got my vegetable oil. We're gonna do 1/4 cup. We have 1/4 cup of syrup. Oh my gosh. Open your syrup. Just leave it wide open. And that came out nicely because there's oil in it first. And then adding 2 tablespoons more. So you got 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of syrup. And then we're gonna do just a dash, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. My salt keeps getting all clumped up. Mix around your oil and syrup and salt. And it's not going to mix with the oil very well because oil doesn't mix with things. But, got your 2 bowls here. I'm going to add this liquid to my oats. Mix that around. So when you guys go hiking and stuff, do you guys like granola or do you like trail mix? I think they're both pretty good. We're certainly going to see how this granola comes out, see if I take that anywhere. One nice big mix. Okay. So I got 2 sheet pans here, pretty big. Spread this out. It smells good. And that's always a good thing. I'll flatten this out. Make sure it's not too thick of a layer so it gets nice and dried out and crunchy. So I'm gonna stick my 2 trays in the oven for an hour and 15 minutes, and I'm gonna stir it every 15 minutes with this spatula. Make sure everything's baking evenly in my 250-degree oven, okay? So I'll come back after it's baked and we'll try it out. Okay, bye. Okay, everybody, I took out the granola from the oven. So I'm going to put it into this, back into my large bowl. Put that right there. It's been sitting here maybe 5-10 minutes now. It's gotten a little crispier. It's not as sticky. It's kind of loose, but that's fine. So I ended up putting the bigger tray on the bottom and the smaller tray on the top because the smaller tray was cooking a little bit faster than the bigger tray. So I switched them around and they're both cooked pretty evenly. Here's a big chunk. Sprinkle about like a cup of raisins in there. You gotta unchunk them. However many raisins you like. It kind of looks like Raisin Bran, but like granola style. Okay, so here's my big bowl of granola. It looks pretty good. So I have some special taste testers today. They are Dustin and Jarad. Ta-da!
Looking good. Smells good too.
So I got a few spoons for everyone.
Alright. Oh my god, my tooth.
Stop. It's crunchy, but it's not that crunchy.
It's super good.
The raisins kind of soften it up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say that.
I like the softness of the raisins with the crispiness of everything else.
Yeah.
It'd be good with some milk, for sure.
You could eat all this like a bowl of cereal.
Yeah.
Big bowl of
Some
cereal.
milk. Really good. Oh, my little bite.
Would you take this with you on a hike?
Yeah, very much so.
We'll grab some water.
Yeah. Take some water. No?
What else will look good? A+. Yeah.
Well, I have to give credit to Alton Brown for his recipe. But I think I would add some like cinnamon or nutmeg or something else interesting to it next time.
Yeah.
This is kind of like basic.
It's good.
But it's good.
Yeah. I like the little chunks here that I made.
Yeah. Some chunks. Here's a chunk.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, came out very good.
All right. Well, thanks for tasting.
For sure. Get away from me before I get off.
Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you try to make some granola. Take it with you on a hike. Put some milk with it, maybe. Have it for breakfast. eat it as a snack. I don't know. So yeah, I'll see you next time with another video. Like and subscribe and all that fun YouTube stuff. And we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So help me out. Thanks. All right. See you next time. Bye.